Welcome back to Limoneira and happy December. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. All month long this December, we will be sharing easy and fun DIYs to celebrate and decorate for the holidays, as well as some healthy holiday meals. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make these really easy and delicious gluten-free orange spiced gingerbread cookies. I love decorating cookies during the holiday season. It's so fun, especially with my kids, and they're fun to enjoy and eat ourselves, but also to gift to neighbors, to family, and to friends. So here's how you make these orange spiced gingerbread cookies. For the gingerbread, you will need gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour, cinnamon, ginger, and cardamom, nutmeg, cloves, and salt, baking soda, Limoneira orange zest, coconut brown sugar, vegan butter, egg, molasses, and fresh squeezed Limoneira orange juice. Begin by whisking the spices, baking soda, and orange zest into the baking flour. Then in a large bowl, cream the butter and sugar together. Add in the egg, molasses, and orange juice, then mix until smooth. Next, add in half the flour mixture and mix together. Then add in the remaining flour and mix until well combined. Shape the dough and split into two. On parchment paper, pat the dough balls into 1-inch thick discs. Then refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. Once the dough has chilled, remove it from the refrigerator and roll out until it is about 1/4 of an inch thick. Cut the dough into desired shapes and carefully transfer to a baking sheet. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 10 minutes. To make the icing, you will need powdered sugar, non-dairy milk, and vanilla extract. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool to room temperature. Then decorate, add a little Limoneira orange zest, and enjoy. To view or print this recipe, check out the links below in the video description box, and don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. To stay up to date with more Limoneira easy healthy recipes and DIYs, make sure to follow Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter, and there's links for all of these social platforms in the video description box. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you have a wonderful, healthy, happy holiday season, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.